So we're going to start some hot peppers and we're going to start some bell peppers. And we're going to start 4 different types of bells. And I like color, so we're going to do a red hybrid bell. We're going to do an orange bell. We're going to do a yellow bell. And we're going to do a green bell. Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. This is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. I'm Moses. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you. I appreciate you. Think about considering subscribing if you like the content. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you as well. I appreciate your support, feedback, enthusiasm, and friendship. So in this video, we're going to discuss my plans for starting my peppers. I know it may be early to some, but peppers for me took a long time to get to where I want them to go out, or they're ready rather to go out in my garden. So I'm going to go over the ones that we are going to start, and then I'm going to go in the house and plant them. So we're going to start some hot peppers and we're going to start some bell peppers. And we're going to start 4 different types of bells. And I like color, so we're going to do a red hybrid bell. We're going to do an orange bell. We're going to do a yellow bell. And we're going to do a green bell. And as you can see, all of these are from Haas. I have a link for them if you need to order seeds or anything from them. I'll leave that in the description and comment portion of the video. I'm also going to do some hot peppers, jalapeno, habanero, a ghost, and a scotch bonnet. Now, some of the hot peppers I may do in my hydroponic system. I really haven't decided yet, and I probably won't until I'm sitting down getting ready to plant. So let's get started with that. And so YouTube, we are now in my grow room, I guess you can call it. And we're going to plant the seeds that I showed you before. The first variety is a red bell pepper. And we're going to plant 3 cells of each seed. So I'm going to drop a couple seeds in each hole that I'm making. And I'm using a bamboo skewer to do this, going down about maybe a ½ an inch. And we're just going to cover up the hole that we made. The soil is already pre-moistened. So when we finish all of these, we'll add a little bit more to the tray before we put them up under the grow out. And the next one we're doing is an orange bell. And same as we did the red. Cover up the hole that we made. We move on to the yellow bell. And the last of the bells is your standard green bell. Okay, we have all our bells in. Next, we're going to do a habanero. And this is the Helios habanero. Press these down to make sure they're in contact with the soil. And then cover them up. Next, we're going to do the jalapeno. Next is the ghost pepper. And then after that, we'll be doing the orange scotch bonnet. And last one, the orange scotch bonnet. And just like that, we got all of our seeds in. We're going to add some water into the bottom of the tray so that the soil can wake it up. So we have them now under the grow light. Um, the grow light is from Vigo. I did a video on them on this particular system a while back. I'll put a link up for it. And the planting cells are also from Vigo. We have the humidity dome on top, and it's closed, so that will help to provide some humidity and keep the soil moist, and hopefully have the seeds germinate quicker. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we planted, or I showed you how I wanted to start my hot peppers as well as sweet peppers for the upcoming 2026 year. Yes, I know it is early, but it usually takes my peppers anywhere from 8 to 10 weeks to be big enough to go outside. So hopefully by starting a little earlier, we can get them out a little bit sooner. This is my soon to be full-time grow room. I no longer will be growing inside my grow tent, not because I didn't like it, but because I don't necessarily have the room for it. It has a big footprint, and I don't need to have that up anymore. When I can use the grow station, and I can also do hydroponics in this stand here. So I want to thank you for coming along with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Don't forget to hype the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but it's a given. The one thing I cannot grow is this channel. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all, so you'll be notified each and every time I upload new content. If you like my content, chances are rather, your friends and family will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.